Hello, friends. Thank you for all the subscribers. Live TV is growing gradually and it has crossed more than a year. We are successfully having all these subscribers. I'm very much contented that I'm leading these 200 plus subscribers in a right pathway with good energy. And those that are watching my channel without subscribing, please do subscribe my channel. It is a channel where we give more of self-help talks and inspirational videos will be posted. And kindly do subscribe my channel and start liking and sharing. Okay, today let's come into the topic that we have 5Gs in life. How these 5Gs will change a human person's life. Number one, start being goal oriented. How to be goal oriented? You have a goal which is already set and your focus is on the goal. Sometimes if you have different thoughts or distractions, you forget your goals and then you start misleading your life. So once you mislead your life by forgetting your goal, then life becomes a mess. So whatever may be the situation, your goal must be the main focus of your life. So if that follows, then everything in your life will be followed very, very positively. And the second G that I would like to call you for attention is gratitude feeling. Start saying thank you for even the minute things that you experience in life, because even the minute thing can create a kind of an energy which will change your life. Start saying thank you for each and everything that you have in your life. Okay, and start being or living your life with grateful feeling. This will, I'll tell you, energize, it will increase more positivities in your life. And the third one is going always forward. We'll say in other words like march forward. Whatever may be the situation. Sometimes your feelings may be high or low. So it will all be natural only. You cannot experience all the moments very much positive, right? You experience both ups and down, low feeling and high feeling. But having all these things, you should keep on going forward. Never step back just because you are struggling on a particular point in your life, or you are stumbled by a big block in your life, big challenges that you're facing. So start marching forward, start going forward. Then the next G that I would like to call you for attention is start giving, my dear friends. The more you give, the most you are given. How and where? Don't be worried about it. Start giving. Not the wealth. Most often we get confused ourselves when we speak about giving. It is not only giving wealth that we have, it is giving the time that we have in excess. It is giving the word, good word, to the person who are in need of those good words of appreciation, of consolation. It may be a solace for those persons who are in need of them. So start giving. And the last G that I would propose to you is start being always glad. You know, the moment we are very glad, we are very gleeful, then life starts changing on its own. Start feeling very happy. Start feeling very glad in your life on each and every thing that gives you happiness. Even if something doesn't give you happiness, start saying thank you for that particular moment which teaches you a greater lesson. Therefore, you be happy. Life will surely start taking a greater change in your life. So that change will set you different and unique, and you will become somebody who is really self-satisfied. If not being successful, if you are really satisfied, then nothing more than that satisfaction could suffice you. Start following all these G's in your life to make your life more meaningful and successful. Thank you. Bye bye.